Hello, we meet again in this another unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox this DVB T2. This is a HDTV Multimedia box I bought from Lazada. And let us see what's inside. Okay, we have this HDMI cable, this power adapter, this Wi-Fi receiver, I think, RCA cables, a remote control, and a AAA battery. And this is the multimedia box. But the box of this packaging is a bit strange. It looks like it is inverted. I mean, the outside is the inside and the inside is the outside. As you can see here, this is the real outside of the box. It's a Q Digital T2. Okay, let's set it aside. Now let us look at the multimedia box. It is made of, I think it's made of plastic. Yes, this is plastic. And these are the ports at the back. And in front, there are these 4 buttons for choosing channel, power, and a USB port, and that's it. But strangely, it seems like there is no manual. So this is it that you will get when you buy this in Lazada. And see you again in the next video if there is a next video.